CUTRIC's Pan-Canadian Battery Electric Bus Demonstration and Integration Trial was a world-first innovation project that standardized the charging systems from different manufacturers. The project created the foundation for successful interoperability between bus and charging manufacturers and has set the world stage for future collaboration for charging standards and battery electric bus deployments. Launched in 2016, the Pan-Canadian Battery Electric Bus Demonstration and Integration Trial used vehicles and infrastructure from New Flyer, Nova Bus, ABB, and Siemens to successfully deploy 18 buses and 7 chargers in Vancouver, Brampton, and York region.
This is really an ongoing process. And so while we're really excited that all the stakeholders, including ourselves, are finally deploying zero-emission buses at scale, and we're finally reaching that critical mass, this is still very much a learning experience, and we're happy to be with our customers and with other stakeholders along the way to make sure that we get the best product and that we get to net zero.
During the course of the trial, transit agencies saw a total savings of 2,341 tons of carbon, equivalent to 263,400 gallons of consumed gas.
But on these pieces of new technology that we're bringing into operations that are new for some of these suppliers to bring out to the market, this ecosystem that we created through the eBus pilot has been really helpful for us to establish even stronger relationships, because we're both in it for long-term success.
To be able to really make an impact on climate change, we need to be able to generate momentum. And momentum is generated by like-minded companies getting together and taking action. And this is what we're doing with CUTRIC, and this is what this Pan-Canadian project represents.
The trial has accelerated and drastically reduced the cost of transit electrification across Canada, bringing the country closer to a net zero future.
Above all, this has been an opportunity to learn together. Transit agencies, bus builders, infrastructure providers, coming together to pioneer, test, to learn, and ultimately to make transit electrification work here in Canada.
The Pan-Canadian Electric Bus Project has been going on for over 5 years from start to finish. There was a lot of planning work, a lot of lobbying, a lot of government advocacy, and for the last 3 years has been mostly monitoring the 18 buses and 7 overhead chargers that are in Brampton, Vancouver, and York region to see how they're actually operating. Standardization leads to interoperability, and that means the buses and the chargers are built to the same specifications. They can plug and play. That leads to more competition, leads to prices reducing. That's what we all want in transit, and that is what the Pan-Canadian Electric Bus Demonstration and Integration Trial achieved.